good people? I'm back with another Football Shirt Friday video, and I've done something I don't normally do. I've bought another home shirt from a team I already have. And I don't normally do this because home shirts are very boring. They're always the same. So I could give you any example. It's the same thing, just maybe if it's Adidas, the stripes will be on the shoulders or they'll go to the sides. It's just, I can't do home shirts over and over. This particular home shirt, I actually wasn't too excited about or not excited about. I just didn't care for it. But then I thought, let me just do it. And it's funny because it's not even a Nike shirt. But yeah, so I've bought this. Whoops. AC Milan 2020 2021 season home shirt. And the reason I bought this is because I actually looked at more pictures online and it just looks so good. Like, I actually really started to like it. I do have another AC Milan shirt, and this is the main difference. So now I won't be buying any more AC Milan home shirts, unfortunately. So as you can see, the stripes here are quite thick, whereas the other one, it would be, let's say, half size. So it would be half of the size of this stripe, so it would be more black and red stripes across. This one has got thicker stripes. Fair enough. So it does change it. It does make it look quite different. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up yet or not, but the pattern, so it's kind of picked it up on the black. But if you look closely, it's actually got it on the red as well. So if you look, it shows way better in person. There we go. That is just detail. So I do think Puma have made some of the best shirts this season. Puma of, they always make nice shirts, but just this season they've been doing something special. So Emirates Fly Better is the sponsor. I have nothing against the Emirates sponsor. It's not Chevrolet. I like plain sponsors like this, just words, not doing too much, not really big logos, or just plain white to match details. It just stands out, it just looks good. So it's got the white Puma logo there. It's actually got a Puma logo on the arm, so which is a shoulder. It's also got another Puma logo on the other shoulder, and I like that because they're all embroidered, and I love embroidery. I do have to say that this material is different. I don't know how to describe it, but it's more like shorts material. So yes, the sleeve, the arm, the shoulder, it's actually a whole panel which goes, so let's say the whole sleeve and the shoulder is all a different material, which is actually shorts material. I don't know what material that is, but as you can tell, I think they've done that because that is quite lightweight, maybe for pro footballers. I am not a pro. I will, however, be wearing this at five-a-side. And nice little details, ACM. No name set on the back. I'm not really a fan of name sets, to be honest. If I was, it will be Ibrahimovic on the back. Overall, I really like this shirt. Very clean design. I thought, I have a different one, which is actually a funny story. It's, I don't know how to pronounce it, Piatek, with the 9 on the back. And I played football with that shirt on, or five aside, seven aside, and everyone knows about the AC Milan number nine curse. Um, 15, 20 minutes in, I didn't score any goals. Normally, I would have scored a few, not bragging. And then I just thought, forget this. I did take my lucky shirt with me, put that on, and started playing well. So, no name set and definitely no number nines on this shirt. But yeah, I am interested to see how lightweight it is, if the material is actually nice on the shoulders, if it's itchy or not, because that could be a bit, funny. Overall, very, very nice shirt. And yeah, that's enough waffling from me. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. And yeah, tell me what you think about it. And take care, people.